Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Sergio, again. Just in time for a huge April 12 promotion. Our amazing brand new models, including this amazing, come on, Vintage Farmhouse Flex home with a brand new Timberline exterior color. Okay, now let's take a closer look. Follow me. All right, guys, check this out. This thing is massive. Coming in, you got this first entryway living room. Okay, if you want some people to leave faster, you don't got to put them all the way inside. You just put them in that front entryway. Okay, once you go a little bit further inside, you got this massive main living room. Okay, huge tall ceilings. Remember, because this is a true Palm Harbor, so you got the tallest ceilings in the whole industry. Okay, 8.5 tall ceilings. All right, super spacious. You can fit all your furniture in here. Come on out. Now, something that sets this home apart, usually have a formal dining room area. All right, so this thing is super spacious for those awesome holiday, Thanksgiving, Christmas dinners. Okay. Get this beautiful kitchen with a separate little dining room option. Of course, 100% real wood cabinets throughout this whole thing. Okay, guys. Now check this out. This island right here, 100% real stone. Okay. We could upgrade this throughout the whole kitchen if you want it. All right. All the appliances are included, guys. You can't miss out on these amazing deals. All these houses, including this one, up to $30,000 discounted off only for this April 12th promotion. You can't miss out on these amazing deals. Give me a call today at 832-306-4678. Remember, everybody's approved. Stop renting. Stop wasting time. Call today.